this video, I'm going to show you how to delete wallpaper on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18, you can delete all old wallpapers on your iPhone without hassle. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To delete wallpaper on iOS 18, all you need to do is swipe down the home screen like this to turn on the lock screen, or better still, press the side button and unlock your Face ID. Then press and hold the home screen just like this. Now you should see all your old wallpapers on your iOS 18. Then to delete, swipe up like this and then click on the delete button. Then you should see delete this wallpaper. Go ahead and click on that. Again, swipe up to repeat the process on any old wallpaper you want to delete on your iPhone or iOS 18. Tap the trash icon and tap delete this wallpaper. Then repeat again. So with this, you can delete all your old wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.